sale time, like the new hat. Check out my video series on YouTube, episode 6 and 7, to drop Friday the 12th, maybe. I'm not sure what the day is, but it's that Friday. All right, so just got this in the mail. Let's see if we can figure out what that is. Something pretty special, looks like. Might actually go with the hat. Get that in there real good. The boys at Thrashin Supply were there, and I got a chance to meet them. And I just got their brand new release of their Cinco de Mayo gloves. And these things are the bomb, dude. Dude, that's pretty badass. What do we got here? The left one. I like how it closes underneath. I don't know if you can see that, but it's closing on the bottom part of your wrist. Every other pair that I have that close on the top, it sucks. And whoever said to buy them a size up because they were sizing a little small, dead nuts on. These things are, how about that? Tacos, anyone? Wow. Well done, Lance, Juan, Cole, the whole team at Thrashin. They're growing. They've added a few people, and man, let's hope they keep kicking ass. It's killer. Branded bags, the whole 9 yards. Say what you want, but people who do this kind of stuff are really serious about their business, and they make it last a long time because they pay attention to the details. So when I owned a vending machine business, I had a vending machine business, and it all comes down to the details. It's always about service. All right, Thrashin, fellas, thank you. Good job on the gloves. I hope they last. Oh boy, hold on. I need to do the proper, proper Thrashin Supply taco gloves. Boom. And then, boom. Dude, looks like the U. I mean, these are raised lightning bolts, raised emblems, bottom of the wrist closures. This stuff is, the taco word has even got that grip stuff on it. So, very high quality. They were a little bit more than what I had paid for other gloves, but it's obvious to me I'm getting more. It's also a limited edition. I think every year they're changing up the design for the Cinco de Mayo gloves, but they also have had some others that they've stopped producing. So get them or maybe never see them again. So I don't have a discount code to give you, but I'll work on that. How about that? I gotta run. I got some bike stuff to do. Catch you guys later. And thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks everybody. Catch up with you all on the next one.